Hello everyone, Techy here. In this video I will tell you the entire step-by-step process of making a cartoon realistic in Photoshop, so without any further delay let's begin. First trace the nose with pen tool and give it a solid color. Go to the file, then select place embedded and open the tomato texture. Apply clipping mask to the tomato so that it will apply to the nose only. Create a new layer, then make some shadows to the nose so that it looks realistic. For making shadows, flow should be around 10 to 15% and follow all the steps carefully and practice it regularly so you can get better. After completing each body part, select all the layers and convert it to smart objects so that you will not get confused and try to organize your work. Now do the same tracing again as we have done in the nose. Press Ctrl+Enter to make your traced part into a selection. Then follow all the steps again that we have done to realistify the nose. Then place embedded the third texture, set it according to yourself. And remove its edges by using layer mask. Set the blending mode to luminosity, then repeat the whole process again to make the whole body realistic. For hands I am using here gloves image. Select the white area with the quick selection and apply layer mask to it. Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Open the hue saturation panel, then increase the lightness to make the glove white as it is in the original Oggy image. Adjust the hand with the help of some warp and rotation. Follow all the same steps in the second hand also. Make some shadows to give it a realistic look. For tail I am using this PNG, you can also download it from description. Again, use the hue saturation trick to match the color of the tail with body. Realistifying a picture is not very hard. All you have to do is that you have to master the pen tool, and selection of textures and stock images should be accurate. Now place embedded the foot PNG and use the hue saturation trick. All stock images link is in the description. You can download them for practice. Erase the sides of the stomach a little bit with the fur brush so it does not look fake. If you don't know how to download brushes for Photoshop, then check the video link in the description. When you're all done, then apply camera raw filter, move the sliders according to your taste, and when you observe it's enough, just stop moving the sliders and click OK. Now it's time for giving it an environment, so enjoy the speed art. If you learned anything from this video, then please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye.